Today, for your main activity, you're going to be working with dilating a quadrilateral, but using your square grid that's right in front of you. So remember, dilation is always using your scale factor, using your scales. But the key with dilations, they all have a center point, and we use it. So if you remember in previous lessons, we use distances by using rulers or computer apps to figure out the distance between the center and the point we're going to dilate. Today, though, we are going to be using the grid. And so you may be thinking, well, hey, I can sit here and I can count 1, 2 squares. So it's going to be, if I was doing a scale factor of, let's say, 1/2. So that must mean my A must be right here. When in truth, that is not exactly where it would be. In fact, if I had my scale factor of 1/2, I am going to use the distance that I know to get to A to figure out where my point is. Now, we could just go straight from P to A, but to make it easier, like you're describing with directions, you would say I would go up 2, 1, 2, and then over to the left 1. Okay, so up 2, over to the left 1. If I had a scale factor of 1/2, I would take 1/2 that amount. So let me get a different color here. We'll do blue. If I had a scale factor of 1/2, I would take 1/2 of 2. That's 1, and go up 1, and then 1/2 of 1, which is half. That means my point would be about right here. Okay. Same thing with D. I'm going originally down 2 over 1. If I want to scale it by 1/2, I'm going to take half of those distances. I'm going to go down 1 and over 1/2, and it'd be right here. And even, let's look at a different number. Let's go to B. B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over and 2 up. So if I were to take half of those numbers, I would go 1, 2 and 1/2, and it's 2 up, so that means I would only go 1 up. And same thing right down here. And if you look now, we now have a rectangle here that looks almost exactly like our original rectangle, but smaller. And my center is still around point P. So what you are going to do for this activity is you're going to scale this, rectangle to a scale factor of 2. And then you're going to use the same idea, the same process of counting over and up to figure out this one. And you're going to scale this triangle where T is your center with a scale factor of 1/2 and a scale factor of 1.